I'm presenting the slideshow of our subtopic. So the learning standard that we are going to achieve today is to determine the ratio of three quantities given two or more ratios of two quantities. Okay, how do you determine the ratio of three quantities when two or more ratios of two quantities are given? Okay, let's look at example 9. Okay, this is what it means by this sentence. Okay, we need to know, okay, given to us two ratios of two quantities. Okay, this is ratio of two quantities, which is P to Q. Okay, this is ratio two quantities equal sama juga macam A to B. Okay, okay, this is another one, ratio of two quantities. Okay, there are two ratios of two quantities given to us, and we need to find ratio of three quantities. Okay, this is ratio of three quantities. Okay, so how do we do? Okay, the solution. Okay, we write P to Q equals 7 to 3. Okay, we copy back this one. Okay, we copy back for the solution. P to Q equals 7 to 3. Okay, next we copy this one. Q to R equals 3 to 5. And if we look closely, 3 here on the circle, blue circle, are same. So we can just write P to Q to R equal 7, okay, which is this one, 7. Since this value are same, the Q value here, the blue circle is Q. Okay, Q value are same, which is 3, so we just write down 3. Next to 5. This one is R. Okay, this is R. R is 5. Okay, that is how we get this answer. Okay, or we can also write P to Q to R. Okay, we can just write back under this ratio. Okay, this is what we are going to find, P to Q to R. So we write P is 7. Okay, P is 7. Okay, ratio to P to Q. Q is 3. Okay, this is the combination. Okay, 7 to 3. So Q to R is, Q to R we write under this one, under this part. Okay, which is 3 to 5. Okay, from this combination method, you can see that Q in the middle here, okay, the value are same. Since the value are same, you can just write the final answer for P ratio Q ratio R, P to Q to R, which is 7 to 3 to 5. Okay, next. Now, how do you determine the ratio of three quantities when two or more ratio of the same one? Since we need to achieve this learning standard, okay, we need to determine the ratio of three quantities. Let's look at example 10. At the reading corner of class 1 jujur, the ratio of the number of storybooks to the number of reference books is 2 to 5. Okay. So the solution, when we read, we find out that ratio of number of storybook to the number of reference book is 2 to 5. Okay. Kemudian kita akan nampak lagi number of reference book. Again, reference book now, here in the first sentence, reference book is 5. In the second sentence, reference book to the number of magazine is 3 to 2. Okay. So let's say X is a number of storybooks, Y is a number of reference books, and Z is a number of magazines. We change it to the variable, okay, the unknown value. So X to Y is 2 to 5. Okay, just now. Okay, this one. Then Y to Z, Y which is number of reference book, 2 to Z, number of magazines. Y to Z equal 3 to 2. Okay, this one. 3 to 2. This value. Okay. So we can just write X to Y to Z, since this is the one that we want to find. Okay. X to Y, we copy back this one, 2 to 5 here. We copy under X, Y, Z there, 2 to 5. Then we copy this value under it, under this one pula. Okay, under this one. Okay, which is 2 to 3 to 2. Okay, this one, which is Z to Y to Z. Okay, Y to Z is 3 to 2. Now we look at the, now let's look at the middle value. Okay, look at the middle value here, Y. Okay, X to Y to Z. The Y here, one Y value is 5. Okay, this one is 5. And this one is 3. So the value are not same. What do we do if the value are different? Okay, what do we do when the value are different? Okay, we need to find the LCM for 5 and 3. Okay, remember last time you learned? So you need to find the LCM for 5 and 3, which is 15. Okay, the LCM for 5 and 3 there is 15. So 5 times 3 equal 15. Okay, this one, 5 times 3 equal 15. So you get the LCM 15. Once this part you multiply by 3, you also need to multiply this part by 3 as well. Okay, ingat ya, yang last time you learn, you need to multiply both part. Okay, so the final answer will be X to Z here will be 6, 10. Okay, this one already multiply it, so it will now equal, which is 15. So you just next, this one, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.